Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the DAI protocol. Now the DAI protocol just got listed on two different central exchanges. We're going to go over how you can get this token in just 1 second and the info on it. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the DAI protocol. So like I said, this token just got a brand new central exchange listing, two of them actually. The first one here, there was an announcement 7 hours ago on Hotbit's news channel that this token would be being listed today, October 21st, 4 a.m. UTC time on Hotbit Global. So if you want to get this token from Hotbit, all you'd have to do is, if you don't have a Hotbit account, first of all, I do have a Hotbit referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, you would just go right through that Hotbit referral code down there, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search DAI, D-I-E, which is the ticker symbol for this token, and then you'd simply just buy the token. It's that easy. So that's available today. Initial listing, it says Hotbit Global. Now, if you want to find DAI Protocol's Twitter, you would just go over to at DAI Protocol on Twitter. They have 1,714 followers so far. They just joined October 2022. 40 tweets so far, so very brand new project here. So this is all based on a Vitalik Buterin tweet. So there was a protocol that came out, I'm not sure exactly when, but it was recently. I just did a video on this token that also got listed on Mexc Global, I believe. And it was called The Protocol, and that was based on a tweet from Vitalik Buterin. So this one, of course, is following in suit with that one, and that's how crypto works. You know, you come out with one dog token, and then there's 100. And so now this is the second Vitalik Buterin tweet as of recently. And so Vitalik Buterin tweeted, actually, now that I think about it, calling a cryptocurrency $DAI is even funnier in Chinese. So I have no idea how that translates. But yeah, I probably should have Google translated that before I started this video. But okay, sure. Vitalik Buterin, he's got a sense of humor and people are liking it. So now we got the DAI protocol. And yeah, just recently on Mexc Global's Twitter, 6 hours ago, they announced that deposits and trades, there's a contest going on for $3,000. Follow their Mexc and DAI Protocol's Twitter, like, retweet, tag 5 friends. You can learn more about this in their news article here. But yeah, they're getting a listing here on Mexc Global as well. So if you want to get this token off Mexc Global, same thing. I do have an Mexc Global referral code in the description. You're welcome to use that. And it's also paired with USDT on Mexc Global. So if you head over to DAIprotocol.com, that's their official webpage. You can find more information over there. They basically have the big tweet there. It says taxes are 0 and 0. They have the contract address on there. It says LP sent to Vitalik. Over there, they also have a Telegram link. You can check out their Telegram link, and that is at Telegram/DAI token. You can find that there. They have lots of tweet announcements on here. All their partners are on here as well. CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, Hotbit, Mexc Global, Huobi, LBANK, Bitmart, BKEX, BTCEX, and AAX. And I do have a referral code for AAX as well in the description box. That's Another fairly decent exchange, but I prefer myself to use MEXC Global over that one, or the other ones that I named as well. So yeah, it says almost 24 hours, and DAI is listed on, it looks like well over, 7 central exchanges. It says, I don't know who is doing all this, but I haven't seen anything like this before for a meme coin, and they added Vitalik Buterin on there. So if you want to find info about this token here, because like there's, besides what I just said, there's not an insane amount of info on their webpage there. On the MEXC Global announcement, if you click on that, I believe there's more info on there. It says learn more. Okay. So, that's about their contest here. Sign up for that. So maybe it was on their Hotbit one here. So if you click on their Hotbit announcement, users can now deposit on here. So DAI protocol. Anyways, you would search on Hotbit to find more information. So yeah, the problem is with these meme coins, it's very hard to find solid information because they're based off tweets. So if you search DAI protocol and then you put Hotbit, should be an announcement page that pops up. There it is right there. So it says Hotbit will launch DAI protocol October 21st. So you can click on that. They'll give you a little bit of info on the page that way. So it says it is an ERC20 token. This is basically where you can find the most information about this token. There's actually not even much on here either. It's this token is so memed out. It's got like no information besides being based on a Vitalik Buterin tweet. So total token type is ERC20 with Ethereum token. Total supply of this token is 5 trillion tokens. Official webpage daiprotocol.com. They have their Etherscan listed on here as well. So if you click on that, it says so far they have 4,143 holders. So they're doing very well. 18,000 transfers, 18 decimal places on this token. Lots of swapping going on. And yeah, if you head over to Hotbit, their announcement channel, that's where they have it. Oh, that's where it is right here too. Let's see if they have anything on. No, even on Hotbit's very own announcement channel, they don't have any information besides just the basic, this is what the token is. So definitely take this with a grain of salt, this token. I mean, they don't have like a full audit. They don't have team docs, KYC, like tons of info on it. So that could be sketchy, if there's not tons of info on this token. People might treat it like a pump and dump type of thing, especially if it's just, scarce information based off a tweet and there's not even a roadmap to show you like, hey, in the future, we're going to be doing all this. You know what I mean? They might have that on their socials somewhere, like buried on their Twitter or Telegram chat, things like that. But, I mean, it's not clear on their webpage or anything like that. So just be aware of that. Thoroughly do your own research before investigating or investing in these tokens like this. Definitely investigate them to find out what's going on before throwing money at them. And besides that, I'm not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comments. What do you guys think about the DAI protocol? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens, what their utility and info is. Check out all the referral codes in the description box, especially that Hotbit and MEXC Global one down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.